So those are they said, Jay, bit off topic. Guys, you don't have to start off these things saying bit off topic. You know what I mean, fam? Man, I'll be up and down, with the topic. So yeah, just if you want to start a new topic, just boom. But yeah, Jay, a bit off topic. What do you think about why do you think we have American black billionaires, African black billionaires, but not you? Black billionaires. Do you know why we have more American black billionaires and more African black billionaires? Because it's for me, it's just numbers. Yeah. The more you have of a certain type of the more you have of people is the more you're gonna likely to have. So basically, let's say for example, in America, they got more black people in America, so therefore there's a higher chance of them having more black millionaires and billionaires simply because they got more numbers. That's it. Obviously, the Africans, they outnumber us fucking 100 to 1 or 1,000 to 1 or whatever. And remember, we're a small minority in the UK. I don't know how many of us there is, but we're a small minority in the UK. So, let's say, for example, if we're talking about numbers, irrespective of race or anything like that, right? If we're talking about numbers, right, and statistics, right? Let's say out of every 10,000 people, only 2 of them become millionaires, yeah? And out of every 500,000 people, only 1 of them becomes a billionaire or whatever. Well, if we've only got, I don't know, 300,000 black people in the UK, then the likely chance of any of them becoming a millionaire is going to be really slim, and any of them becoming billionaires is going to be even slimmer. So I simply think it's because of the numbers, whatever, innit? The more you have is the more likely, the more people you have, so the more black people you have, the more likely you're going to have billionaires and millionaires. We've got less people in the UK, we've got less black people in the UK. So I think that's partly the reason why we have less millionaires and no billionaires in the UK, simply because there's hardly any of us in the grand scheme of things. Because I guarantee you, there's probably not a lot of white English people who are billionaires in the UK as well. I guarantee you, right, there's probably more white millionaires in America than there are white millionaires in the UK, simply because America's got more white people than the UK. So I simply think it's a numbers thing. You go out and you talk to 100 women in a year, as opposed to talking to 10 women in a year, you're more likely to sleep with more women if you talk to 100 women than if you talk to 10 women in a year. It's all a numbers thing, really.